Hello Jensen's Wolfpack, and welcome to a Jensen Reviews kind of episode. But we got the Redbull Speed Champions car here. I've already done the Ferrari on a stream, which was really cool, fun build to make. But I thought I'd do this one just as a simple video, so it'd be easy to find. And I already noticed there's like plenty of videos of these cars gone up already, so they're quite cool. So all better than mine. You know, there you go. We're just doing this for a little bit of fun. And anyway, let's get this off. So it's front of the box, bit of glare. Don't think I could do much about that, but unless I turn the light on, need a brighter light. You can probably hear Jensen drinking out of the water bowl. So anyway, get this open, have a drink. So again, we got like the instruction manual. Max Verstappen's type winning car for the last 3 years. And we got same again. We got like tub. Just caught my finger. Anyway, let's get go. So we'll start at the start. Oracle Redbull Racing. So once it's open packets 1 and 2. Here comes Jensen. How you doing, boy? Anyway, it's back. There we go. Right, so we need the tub. Packets 1 and 2. Okay, 5 and 6 can go over there. Right, so you've got to put the driver together. Let's put Max together. I don't remember Max having a beard, but there you go. He's always clean shaven. Let's put top on. There we go. There's that, and then we've got to find his legs. There they are. Okay. There's Max all ready to race. May take a while to build your car up, but then, you know. Anyway, we'll get to the next page. So we've got to have a red piece there. One of these. Already I can see like the design build is completely different, which is really cool. That each car they've designed a different way. Because otherwise it's just like copy and build, and that wouldn't be any fun. I think it's really smart how they've like basically take the same design and redesign it. Because like all the F1 cars now, they more or less look the same. It's kind of boring. Not like compared to the 90s and stuff where the cars look really cool. Ayrton Senna's like 92 McLaren, man, that was it 92, 93 when they're powered by Ford. That was awesome car when he just went down the Donington Park, we went down the S's. That was just a brilliant move. If you haven't seen it, you should look up Ayrton Senna and look for some of his like greatest moves and stuff. One of the greatest drivers ever. Well, he's a legend. But anyway, I digress. So now we come to this part of the car. There. We need You know, F1 starts next week. I can't wait. Can Lewis win in the Ferrari? I don't know whether he will straight away. No, I wouldn't expect him to, but we'll see how he gets on. It's going to be really cool. Going to be really different seeing him in red. I kind of got used to it already, like in testing and stuff. So now we need another something like this. There we go. Hope you can hear me okay. So we got that. Then we come underneath. We got two these. So now we've got the hub like that. It's that way round. So now we need one of these. Go there. Another one to go there. It's off screen. Like that. And then we flip over. And we come to this. That goes in the middle there like that. Then we come to this. And we need two of these, so that will go on there like that. Where's the other one? There we are. Off screen again, sorry. Like that. And that will connect onto the car like that. Okay. So now we need two red ones. One to go there. And one to go there. Like that. I can hear a truck beeping. So we have one of these here. And one of these here. And now we need some. Supposed to be. I can find them. These, I believe. One goes there. And I want to go there. So we've got that so far. And now we need a pillar. One of these. Let's go through like this, and then we need two of these. So one to go there. And the other one to go the other side, like so. So we got that like that. Okay, next page. One of these, and I need drink. So one of these, one of these. I'm going to go on there, I'm going to go on, goes that way like that. Okay, that shouldn't come on yet, that should come on second. So, plug that back in halfway there. And that will go in, like so. And where's the other piece? Go back on there like that. Like so. It's got to turn around slightly. So we've got that configuration so far. And one of these goes in there. So, one in there, like so, goes like that. Okay. another 2 of these. Just take that off because I'm supposed to go in there like that. So just re-plug it in there. There. Go on there. Let's take this one off. There should be another one. Where are you? Where are you? I don't see it. I'm missing a piece. There's one. We got 2 either side. Come on, Lego, where is it? It's not those. Those are. Why do you always have trouble? Oh, there it is. It's in a packet. Right, so I blame the lighting. Anyway, put this on here, put this through here. Okay, so that goes on like that. Brilliant. So now we've got 2 of these. Where do they go? On the sides? They go there. And another one goes there. Like that. Then we need a little bit more of a complex part. So one of these. One of these. That goes through there. And then we have one of these go through there, like so, and then that go on there like that, the other way round, sorry, like that. There's one, and that will plug in to there like so. So it's obviously the rear of the car we're building up first. So now we've got to do it all over again. One of those, one of those, and one of those. So there we go. Make sure that's tight, there we go. And now we need one of these. Plug in there like that. Plugged in. There we go. And that will go in there like so. There. Push that right there. There we go, it's gone right in. There we go. So that's that done. Now we've got one of these edges. And 2 of these pieces to the back here, so we want to go there. There should be 2 of them. Where are you? What are you doing, puppy? He's gone outside. Ah, there you are. You're supposed to be helping me. And then we have this go on there. And then this one go on here. Like so. so. So I've got that far. So now we need one of these to go in the middle there. Then we need this. How does that plug on? Yeah, that's right. That's right. That's one, should be 1/. Lego is so hard to get off. If it's there like that. Come on, get it right, get it right. I got it right. There we go. So now we need 2 of these, I believe. Here. Oh no, it's one of these. I've not seen these before, kind of things before. Goes like that, and I'll show you another one. Where are you? There you are. And so we've got that done. So in this flat plea piece here goes there, like so. Now these, what are these? Want to sit there, and then the other one, if I can find it, sits there. And next, we need another one of these. Just go in there like that, like so. So now I need one of these blue bits, which of course we'd have to put a sticker on, so let's do that. Number 13, that's the sticker sheet. Here's number 13. I need a pair of tweezers or something. Oh, where'd they go? I need a pair of tweezers or something really to do this. I will try again. There we go. There we go. There's Redbull kind of logo there. So that's that. And now we, oh, more stickers. Okay, so we need one of these, and one of these, and one of these. So we have the Redbull facing inwards like that. And then we have that like that. And then one of these corner pieces like so. And now once we put another sticker on number 11. Number 11, there we are. And we'll just put that on there. Like so, Honda. But Redbull are using their own powertrains next year. Should be interesting. So now, this plugs back here, like so. And now we have to do it all again with this side. Build that up, like so. Put the end piece there. should be another one of these flat pieces here. And that needs to go across like that. So there's that built up, and I need number 13. There you are. Put that one on there, like so. And then we need the Honda logo as well. Like so. There we go. And that'll pop on the opposite side here. Yep. There we go. Like that. Next page. Done that and that. So now we need this, this, so that one is what the one we need, and corner piece. Yeah, the corner piece. Let's go like that. So you get one like that. Side. Yeah, like that. I can't do. Right to the back, go like that. And the same again. Like that. So got that built up, building up the platform of the car. Okay, so now we need two of these. So one will go there, that will go across there, and the other one will go there. Okay. Now we need one of these, one of these. So look at it that way. I want this to be that way. One of these, and that will go on the end like so. And fit onto here somehow. So how? This way round. It doesn't. That way. Like that. So that's one. That one. That one. And that one. And I'll fit in there like that. these two thin pieces. Go around that way, and there you go. Down here, I assume. Yep. And the other one will go down there, like so. And then we have one of these, and one of these goes on there like that. So that goes there. Goes there like that, and the other one will do the same. Go there like that, and like that. So it's like that. We have one of these again, like this, another one like this. And these will do one of these. Go right there. One there. And you have one there. So we've got that. Now we need this. And one of these. And that goes on there like that. So now that somehow goes like that. No other way. I don't think it goes like that. Does it? Let's do. Anyway. There's the other side like this. And then to be honest, better. Yeah. Just one slot out, and that goes in there, and that goes in there. So we have it like that. Now next we've got open bag 3 and 4, which we will do that after this short break.
It is a time when magic is more powerful than science, and only those who control the magic control destiny. They are the visionaries.
Fabulous secret powers were revealed to me the day I held aloft my magic sword and said, "By the power of Grayskull!"